Mohammed Khan. I run one of the blogs that I run is Life Etc. It's the title is Creative Self-Employment. That's what I try to talk about. I started taking that blog seriously around January last year. By seriously, I mean that I started writing on topic. The thing with the gathering here is that what we must all realize, and I think Monas Bhai here also tried to point out, is that this is very new for us. Everyone is just starting out. We are, हमें काफ़ी कुछ अभी सीखना है, काफ़ी गलतियाँ करनी और हैं. Starting from the award ceremony all the way down to the blog itself. जो बीच में सारे loopholes हैं, वो बहुत है, बहुत non-professionalism है blogs के अंदर itself. I study blogs as a profession as well, and the difference in blogs on Pakistani level and international level, there is a difference. People take that blog as their own business. They mean what they're very serious about their blogs. Over here, of course, it's a pastime. Everyone is just passing time. That's what usually blogs are considered. And that's my challenge, in fact, to take my blog at least to that level where I can go internationally and tell them, okay, this is a blog from Pakistan and this means something. This represents something. And that's the challenge. And the online community, I think, really gives us that platform to, there's no geography, there is no, कोई बहाना नहीं है हमारे पास कि जी हम पाकिस्तान में इसलिए ऐसे हो रहे हैं. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बत्ती चली जाती है, आप सबने UPS लगाया हुआ. तो other than that, it's a level playing field. So it's a really good platform to take it to the next level kind of.